Hi guys, so today we're gonna be fitting this kicker 5-inch speakers to the rear doors. Yeah, we've already taken out that side. As you can see, there's Sony speakers, but they're not doing what I want. Yeah, so yeah, to take this out, just I think it's a T30, T20, and just taking out this. Yeah, it just has a little pin in it. Let me just show you that silver bit there. Just have to find a flat head and then just take that out, and then this door should be out, just like that one. So yeah, went with Kika. Couldn't find the Infinity reference coax, so yeah, Kika was the next best option. Been wanting to try Kika, but never. Yeah, I just never bought them. But yeah, bought them this time around, and yeah, gonna see how they sound. Says Saventa. Yeah, and here they are. Things are falling out. Things are falling out. Someone help him. Stop. In the name of love. I think, wait, this is supposed to come up as well. Yes, there we are. Did it just come back? There they were. I feel right now you guys know where I get my stuff. Montana Family Market. This usually costs above 1,000. Sorry about that. This usually costs above 1,000. I bought them for like 850 at Montana Family Market. Go there and be a shrewd negotiator. Come with the connecting pins. And what else? And the screws as well, but they fell. Yes, yeah, right here. And the heat shrink as well. Oh, this is nice. And the screws. And yeah, this is them. Got them for 850. Yeah, it's good quality. Got them for 850. It's supposed to be 75 kilo. Did I want to say kilowatts? 75 watts. Let's install them. I got the spacers at Montana Family Market as well for like 50 bucks. No, actually 100 bucks. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Right, here's the side-by-side comparison of what's going out and what's coming in. This is slightly smaller. It's 5 1/4 inches. This is 5.5. So yeah, this was not it. This just feels quality. So yeah, that's the comparison. We've taken them out now. I'm gonna put on the spacer first. Just put it on here, then screw it in, and then put in the kicker. Let's go. Right, we're done with putting in the adapter, or rather the spacer, and the speakers here. We've connected the wires, and then we just put some double-sided tape here. Yeah, it's starting to unstick, but I'm gonna put it back properly. When you put the tape, just make sure it doesn't put or block the spaces where the speaker breathes. So yeah, just make sure this is still open. So yeah, we're just gonna rip that, which actually we're gonna start by putting it properly, and then stripping out the green side of things. Then we're gonna bolt the speaker in. You'll join me after I do that properly. Alright, I forgot to show you guys, just put in some, I forgot what this is called, but yeah, it's this right here. Just put it there to just make sure the sound doesn't vibrate a lot, just to cushion the sound. Forgot what it's called, but yeah, just make sure this is the window. So just make sure you roll the window down so that you know that it's not rubbing on the window, so there is space behind the window. So yeah, I've just placed it there. is that the door doesn't rattle a lot. It just forgot what it's called. Why can't I remember? But yeah, I've just placed that there, and then the speaker is going in now, taking out the green stuff. So yeah, that's right, all done. Speaker is installed. So yeah, we're done with this one. But yeah, that's how to install the rear 5-inch kicker speaker. Actually just tested the sound. I'm quite pleased with this. I'm happy. It's very neutral. It's not too bright. The bass is just clear, way better than the Sony ones. So yeah, but yeah, I'm moving on to that one there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one.